Have you noticed Google acting a little smarter lately? What if I told you the search bar, Gmail, even YouTube just got a secret upgrade that remembers, imagines, and now even draws? In the next few minutes, we'll uncover Google's newest AI brain, Gemini, and why it could quietly change every click you make. Picture this. You ask Gmail to find every flight receipt since 2022, and it answers in perfect plain English. That's Gemini's new long-term memory, digging through your archives so you don't have to. Jump to Google Photos, type "me at every birthday cake," and watch Gemini surface a decade of candles in seconds. Impressive? It gets wilder. Open YouTube. As you play a cooking video, Gemini hovers below with real-time bullet points, ingredients, timing, even a grocery list you can export to Google Keep. Now it crosses apps. In Docs, you draft a newsletter. Gemini reads your tone, grabs stats from sheets, sprinkles graphics from slides, and formats everything before you sip your coffee. This is no longer an assistant, it's an all-in-one creative teammate. But the jaw-drop moment? Type, "turn my winter selfie into a Van Gogh-style postcard," and the built-in image model paints it, live, inside Google. No extra software, no subscription. Suddenly, millions can create art, lesson plans, trip itineraries, without leaving the Google ecosphere. Sounds magical, but power has a price. With memory turned on, Gemini can recall birthdays and breakup emails. Where do we draw the privacy line? How much of your digital life should one AI weave together? In a moment, I'll share a simple toggle to control what Gemini keeps and what it forgets before your data becomes its best friend forever. Stay with me, because we're about to test 3 brand new Gemini tricks in real time and rate which are genius and which feel downright creepy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to harness Google's smartest upgrade, or switch it off, so you remain the one in charge of your digital destiny.